Hello everyone, this is the Tech Rancher again with lesson number 5 homework. This homework was assigned by Paul McWhorter on his video of reading analog voltage using a potentiometer. And I had did what he said. Here's my layout. As you can see, we are using your Raspberry Pi Pico W, running a ground to ground rail, taking the ground to the potentiometer, hooking up to the wire for the middle, which would be the ADC 28 pin, and then we're running power 3.3 to it. If we want to look at the code here that we have, let's see here, starting with the code. You can see it's already running down here in the bottom, but I had imported library machine, imported time library, and using the function, or class, sorry, sleep. Then I set my variables. Pot pin is 28, just the same as Paul. But I came in here and used my my pot, and then used the library machine with the class ADC. But in pot pin, using correct formatting coding. Then I have another variable for pot value 0, but matter of fact, I do have it here. I think I just put something in it just to have something inside there. Then we have DT, which stands for delay time, and I have the float at 0.5, so it's a half a millisecond, or half a minute, or half a second, sorry. Then I ran mine in a function, so I declared my function, read pin, and put in the pin as a argument, so we can put it in there, and we're returning the pin.read U16. As Paul was explaining, 16 is the actual bits that we're going to be reading. So that's why you can see down here it's quite large in the float value. Then we had to do math. The homework assignment was that Paul wanted us to go from 0 to 10 on scale. Instead of reading the voltage, he wanted us to go from 0, which would be turning the potentiometer to the far left, would make it 0, that's what we're showing right here already right now, is reading 0. And if we turn it to the far right, which would give us 1. Here, as I demonstrate, you'll start seeing it move at the bottom. I'm turning it. Now I went past halfway. I'm almost to the full right. Now I'm to the full right. You can see that it says 100. So this shows you that the function is being called. I put it into a while true, reading the pin. Then after doing the math, here's my math that we did for display value. This was testing in the very first time, so that's why I had that commented out. That's where I got my values. The same thing as Paul did. Then I'm printing in here and for us a display down here in the terminal. And I did a delay, added my delay. Now let's go back over here and look at the live view and see what you guys think of the live view so far. Live view is dead. Well, that is sorry. Let me try to see if I can fix that here real quick. The joys of doing this. Oh, yes, we are dead. We're still paused. Okay. We are back now. Sorry for that. Still learning how to do this. I'm starting to enjoy it. I'm glad Paul actually suggested that we do this, so I'm kind of enjoying it. Here you can see the breadboard, and you can see that the potentiometer is there. Let's see here. So I can go to the live view, but it's not going to let me go to the live view, so this is going to be a little delayed. I do apologize for this. My phone, I guess, video is not the best. It's still not even showing my finger up in here. Wow. Okay. Well, okay, here's what it looks like, but you're not able to see my hand go in there to be able to move it. Well, if you have any questions or want to know anything else, just please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.